Strong winds left a trail of destruction in its wake, and it damaged at least 9 houses in East Khasi Hills district, causing difficulties to people of the area. According to the report, strong winds hit the village and rooftops, and trees were uprooted, and in total, 9 families lost their homes and many sustained minor damages, but fortunately, there were no casualties. The All Khasi Hills Achik Federation, President Shri Slivastar C.H. Marak, requested the government to provide general relief and other assistance to the families and the damaged houses. The president also added that the government should provide compensation to those families who lost their homes and should visit and inquire the said place.